Dewa United FC. Langsung coach mungkin bisa menyampaikan kondisi terkini tim dan juga persiapan untuk pertandingan besok.
We experienced, of course, the last two matches, two different conclusions.
Tentu dua pertandingan terakhir menghasilkan dua kesimpulan yang berbeda.
I think the game against Rans was a very good game.
Game melawan Rans game yang sangat bagus.
Good performance.
Performa yang sangat bagus.
Good team performance.
Tim performa yang sangat bagus.
And the game against Persija.
Game melawan Persija.
I still think that we play a good first half.
Saya rasa masih bagus di babak pertama.
But after halftime, I think we conceded two goals too quick.
Setelah babak kedua kita kebobolan 2 gol lebih cepat.
Game was over.
Gamenya sudah selesai.
After that, it was of course a disappointing result.
Tentu itu hasil yang mengecewakan.
So now we go to the last phase of the competition.
Sekarang kita memasuki fase terakhir di kompetisi.
For a young club, there's enough to win.
Untuk klub yang masih baru, itu masih cukup untuk menang.
So I think that we will be very motivated.
Sangat termotivasi saya rasa.
To show that Rans was not an incident.
Untuk menunjukkan Rans itu bukan kebetulan.
Like coach said, I think it's going to be like an interesting game.
Seperti yang pelatih katakan, pertandingan yang akan sangat menarik.
We have everything to play for.
Kita bisa menghasilkan segalanya.
Also, Persikabo has everything to play for.
Juga Persikabo juga bisa memberikan segalanya.
And I can remember from the last game.
Saya masih ingat juga pertandingan sebelumnya.
That was a hard game. We drew in the last minute, I guess.
Game yang cukup sulit dan kita cukup berimbang sampai menit terakhir.
And we want to bounce back from the last game against Persija.
Kita ingin bangkit lagi dari game terakhir melawan Persija kemarin.
So it's gonna be a good game tomorrow to show.
Dan besok akan menjadi pertandingan yang sangat menarik untuk ditunjukkan.
I think it's good that you asked the question.
Bagus mempertanyakan pertanyaan itu.
First of all, what happened in the game?
Pertama-tama, apa yang terjadi di game?
And I will put it like this.
Saya akan lakukan seperti ini.
Every decision I take,
setiap keputusan yang saya ambil,
I will take that the club is most important.
Itu pertama klub yang paling penting.
After that, the team.
Setelah itu tim.
Then the individual.
Dan individu.
So it's clear what was on the board.
Jadi jelas sudah.
We always know who's the first, the second, and the third.
Kita udah tahu siapa yang pertama, yang kedua.
And Risto was the one who has to take the penalty.
Risto yang seharusnya mengambil penalti.
Alex was behind the penalty.
Alex juga yang di istilahnya.
That was his mistake.
Itu kesalahan dia.
And also the reaction after that.
Reaksinya juga setelah itu.
And I think you heard also as the team and even the club in acting like that on the pitch.
Dan kalau berakting seperti itu mencederai klub dan tim.
So my first reaction, and you can see it on television, is immediately send two players out.
Saya waktu di TV kamu bisa tonton, saya keluarin
for substitution
untuk mempersiapkan
because I think it's unacceptable.
Karena itu tidak bisa diterima perilakunya.
We were still in the game.
Kita masih di game.
Especially we scored a penalty 2-1. We still.
Terutama cetak gol penalti 2-1.
Then the main players came to me to decide.
Terus pemain utama datang ke saya untuk meminta.
And they told me, coach, keep Alex.
Dia bilang,
we will solve it in the game.
Biarin aja Alex tetap. Kita yang akan pecahin nanti masalahnya
di
lapangan.
At that moment,
di momen itu,
is about the trust I have in my players.
Tentang kepercayaan yang
in
saya punya dalam tim dan pada pemain
what's
saya.
Going to happen?
Apa yang akan
Because
terjadi?
for me, the easiest way is to show, look, I can change Alex.
Karena sangat gampang untuk saya bisa mengganti
but
Alex.
Sometimes as a coach,
tapi sebagai pelatih,
because it's also the goal of the club to win the game.
Tujuan juga untuk memenangkan pertandingan.
And if the players are that strong,
kalau pemain bisa sekuat
and have the confidence
dan memiliki kepercayaan diri
that they can solve it in the pitch,
yang mereka bisa pecahkan di lapangan.
At the end, that's what you do on the street also.
Pada akhirnya itu yang
where you
lakukan
learn
di lapangan.
Play football,
Waktu kita
you solve it together.
Bola,
so I choose at that moment
di momen itu
to give the trust to the team.
Untuk memberikan kepercayaan kepada tim.
And that's why you can see that I already had two players warm up. That I didn't change Alex.
Saya tidak jadi ganti Alex.
Because at the moment your team tells you,
ketika tim yang mengatakan untuk
please
saya,
trust us.
Percaya aja ke kita.
We will solve it in the match.
Kita akan pecahkan.
And we will try to win the game.
Dan kita akan coba.
And for me, That's one of the biggest connection a coach should have with the team.
Dan itu koneksi yang
That
terbesar
you
yang seharusnya ada dimiliki
Can
pelatih
also
dan
give them
pemain.
the responsibility for that.
Dan itu harusnya memberikan tanggung jawab juga untuk mereka.
Because the moment I say no, Alex out,
Kalau momen ketika saya udah Alex
they will
keluar,
also think oh, the coach doesn't trust us.
mereka juga berpikir oh pelatih berarti tidak percaya kita.
And after the game, of course, it was I have to repair what happened.
Tentu setelah game ya saya harus memperbaiki apa yang telah terjadi.
So I spoke with Alex Risto.
Saya bicara sama Alex dan Risto.
Risto and Alex, they are good together. They were already good together.
Dia udah baik bersama, udah nggak ada masalah.
And I think for the players, it's finished.
Untuk para pemain
It's
juga
clear.
udah selesai, udah jelas.
I told who was guilty. I told also
Saya juga udah katakan siapa yang salah
that there will be punishment.
dan akan ada hukuman
But after the game,
setelah pertandingan.
I already told immediately after the game what the punishment was.
Langsung setelah pertandingan saya
But
utarakan
in that
apa.
game, and that's interesting for a coach,
Dan di game itu apa yang sangat menarik menjadi
you
pelatih,
have to decide,
kita harus memutuskan.
or I show my ego,
Saya tunjukkan ego saya
or what my strength should be,
atau kekuatan saya yang sebenarnya,
that players feel the responsibility.
bahwa pelatih itu yang pemain itu yang memiliki
And
tanggung
I
jawab.
choose for the last one,
Dan saya pilih yang terakhir.
because your players come to you and
Karena
say,
ketika
we
pemain
solve it
datang,
in the
kita,
game.
Udah nanti kita aja yang
Then that's
pecahkan
okay.
masalah.
You do it.
Kita lakukan.
Okay, and the result was not good.
Ya hasilnya tidak bagus.
Again,
Tapi lagi
in the group is zero problem.
di grup itu tidak ada masalah, nol masalah.
In football, always something will happen.
Di sepak bola selalu apapun itu bisa
And
terjadi.
how strong you are as a team, it only shows in these matters.
Dan seberapa kuat kalian menghadapi masalah perkara seperti ini.
So it's clear,
Jadi udah jelas,
the punishment is there.
hukumannya juga udah
The
ditentukan.
friendship was never gone between Alex
Pertemanannya juga antara Alex
and then I will, because the question is much bigger than you ask.
jadi pertanyaan itu lebih besar daripada apa yang udah ditanyakan.
Because I understand the question.
Karena saya udah mengerti.
And I told the
pertanyaannya.
players also.
Dan saya juga udah katakan
And
kepada
now it's getting a
pemain.
very long answer, but I don't care.
Dan sekarang jawabannya sangat panjang ya.
You have a relationship
Ada hubungan
between each other,
antara satu sama lain.
me with the player,
Saya dengan pemain
or even the players with each other.
atau pemain satu sama lain.
You're here football,
Di sini sebagai pemain
and
bola
you are here individual, personal.
dan di sini sebagai personal.
In football, I don't care.
Dalam sepak bola
You should fight every day.
Saya nggak
You should
peduli.
correct every day.
harus berjuang, harus koreksi.
And if I shout in the training, they should understand it's about to make them better.
Kalau saya teriak tiap hari di
If
lapangan itu,
experienced players like Ricky tell
Yeah.
the players, hey, go there, hey, go there.
misal kayak Ricky,
They
pemain
have to
berpengalaman,
understand
"Ayo
it's
kesana,
not
ayo
against
kesana."
them individual, it's like making them better as football players.
Itu bukan secara pribadi, tapi itu untuk dia.
The other
sebagai
side
sepak bola yang
is
bagus.
personal.
Dan satunya lebih ke
The
pribadi.
moment you get on the personal side,
Dan kalau udah masuk ke area pribadi,
then we have a big problem.
itu akan jadi masalah.
Because then it's getting personal, then I will be very reckless.
Dan saya akan jadi sangat.
I will cut players, I don't care.
Saya akan potong pemain dan itu saya.
Because you
tidak
make it personal, I make it
peduli.
personal.
Karena itu kalau diambil hati sebagai pribadi.
The
saya
situation
akan-
with Alex and Risto, they never had problems.
situasi Risto sama Alex itu. mereka
Even
nggak ada
Alex
masalah.
went to the penalty because he said, but I wanted to help the team.
Saya pengen.
But
bantu
he's
tim.
not fucking on the list.
Padahal tapi dia
So he
tidak
should
list.
not be there. But he did it because he was on the list.
Tapi
So
dia lakukan karena ada di
I
list.
asked
Dan saya minta,
Alex and Risto,
Risto, Alex,
is
apakah
it because you don't like it what happened or you like it personal?
atau kamu suka karena
But they never had
pribadi?
problems.
Tapi mereka nggak ada.
So they
masalah.
were for the group, they shake hands, they were good. So it's about football. And normally in football there will be always,
Dan kalau
and you
sepak
have
bola,
to see everything.
Dan harus
I
lihat
see
segala-
now that he's laughing with him.
Dan saya lihat
You have to love your players,
harus cinta pada
and
pemain.
if there's a game or a training, it's war. Be better, be stronger, be faster,
Kuat, lebih cepat.
and that's what happened. And
itu
that's
pada
how we
game.
solved it.
Dan itu gimana?
And if you have a strong team, which I think we built,
Dan kalau kita memiliki tim yang kuat dan saya percaya kita bangun
then you
itu,
know it's here,
dan tahu udah di
you
sini
solve it,
kita pecahkan
and it's not here.
dan bukan yang masalah pribadi.
And they know that I
Dan
think that
tahu,
way.
mereka tahu saya berpikir seperti itu.
And that's the explanation. Case closed, finished.
Dan itu udah penjelasannya.
It's my
kasus
job
seperti
as a
itu.
coach to manage it. And I
tugas saya
manage it
sebagai
like this.
pelatih dan untuk mengaturnya. Dan
And if
saya
it's
aturnya
getting
seperti itu.
personal,
Kalau udah masuk pribadi
then it's out. And I choose who plays.
dan saya yang memilih siapa.
And
yang
if you
bermain.
don't accept,
Kalau tidak
and you
terima,
make it personal,
dan
out.
kalau tidak
If you accept and you're angry at me as a coach,
kalau marah saya sebagai saya
you should
sebagai
be.
pelatih,
You
ya
should be
harus.
angry.
Harus
Don't make
marah.
it personal.
Jangan bikin
Case
percaya.
closed, case finished. There will be a top team
Dan
tomorrow.
akan ada tim top besok.
Because I believe in the players who play and who are on the
Karena
bench,
saya percaya sama
and even the
pemain-pemain
ones who had
yang
to
di
stay
bench,
in Pagadang.
bahkan yang harus stay juga di Pagedangan. Saya percaya semua.
So I know it's a good question, it's a
Saya
long
tahu
answer,
pertanyaan
but I
bagus,
don't care.
Saya tahu jawaban yang salah.
Because I love you also.
Tapi saya cinta kamu juga.
That's maybe better to say.
Ya mungkin ya, cara.
But I want to explain one
Tapi saya
time,
ingin
maybe
menjelaskan
even
sekali.
for the spectators,
Mungkin untuk juga penonton.
so they understand.
Jadi mereka mengerti.
Baik, saya rasa itu menjadi pertanyaan yang terakhir. Kalau begitu untuk sesi pre-match press conference dari tim Dewa United FC, ya ini thank you Coach Jan Mulder Kering dan juga Sonny Steven, dan juga terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.